Hi, it's Kozue. I'm gonna be doing my nails with regular polish. I love nail stamping, and I have so many nail stamping plates, but I don't have any plates with this design. A big lace heart, so I'm gonna be making it. Also, I'm gonna be using magnetic polish. Let's get started. I'm gonna use parchment paper. The both sides of the sheet is covered with silicone. It's kind of curly and it's difficult to handle it. I put it on a silicone food wrap. It holds the parchment paper pretty well. I'm gonna be using this sheer black top coat. I couldn't open the cap easily, so I used a rubber band. It opened really easily. I'm gonna paint it on the parchment paper. It gets repelled. So I try the other side. Actually, I don't think there's much difference between back and front. Somehow this worked pretty well. The polish still got repelled, but it's okay. This polish is pretty new. This might be one of the reasons why it didn't stay on the parchment paper. It's too runny, I guess. I let it dry for about 6 minutes. A plate from Temu. I'm going to use a stamper and an old prepaid card. I'm using stamping polish. I'm making one more just in case. Very nice and crisp print. Now I have to make a heart. I'm using these scissors, but you can just use normal scissors. It's already a nice heart shape, so it's all up to you when to stop it. If you find it difficult to make a perfect heart shape, you can make a heart like this. You might be wondering why I use sheer black polish. I did make some hearts with clear polish. It was pretty difficult for me to find where I painted the clear polish actually. Also, if it's clear, I can see this outline very well. You can use any colors like white, pink, yellow, purple, but not clear. Yeah, I like this heart shape. Now I have to remove the parchment paper. It seems pretty difficult, doesn't it? It's not very difficult actually. I use a stamper. Make sure the parchment paper is facing you. Oh, it's stuck. Put it back and peel it off again. Cool. I guess this heart is a little too big for my nail. So the right ones on the blue stamper are prototypes. I used a clear polish. I drew the outline with black polish, but it's not very smooth. I don't like it very much. I painted OPI Nail Envy as a base coat. They kindly sent this magnetic polish to me, thank you. The color is Black Swan. See, it's got particles in it. I'm gonna paint half of the thumbnail. I should have masked my nail. It's not completely straight. Probably I can fix it later. As soon as I finished painting, I used a magnet wand. I held it about 30 seconds. They provided this too, thank you. Planet name magnet, Holy Rouge. I think this is a perfect shade for Valentine's Day nail. This time I didn't use a magnet. It looks so silky. It reminds me of a dress on a red carpet. I placed a magnet wand under the ring finger. I painted Holy Rouge on the middle finger and the index finger. I'll let it dry for 7 minutes. A thin washi tape. I'm gonna mask the thumbnail with this. I'm making it less sticky. You're thinking I'm painting the polish again? No, I'm not. I'm gonna stamp from now on. It's not perfectly straight, but it's okay, I guess. Born Pretty No Smudge Top Coat Oil. I love this product. I wish I had bought it earlier. Wow, it looks so pretty with a glossy top coat. I'm painting the dress color for the second time on the little finger. I'm gonna stamp lace on the ring finger. I'm gonna paint the dress color on the middle finger and the index finger. I love using no-smudge top coat oil after stamping. This nail looks so nice with a glossy coat. Parado Gel Top Coat. It's available at 7-Eleven in Japan. It's gel top coat, but it's not gel. It's like a gel look top coat. Before it dries, I'm gonna put some pearls. Yes, I'm trying to hide the not perfect line with the pearls. Gel top coat on the pinky and on the ring finger. I'm gonna paint Temu's foil glue on the middle finger. I'm gonna glue a lace heart on it. Gel top coat on the index finger. I'm gonna put a metal accessory and 3 pearls beside it. Cool and elegant. I let it dry for 7 minutes. I made this heart behind the camera. I'm gonna use this one. Now I'm painting non-smudge top coat oil from Born Pretty. I'm going to apply sachet bead after 6-7 hours. So this is a final look. I love the set so much. The black lace stamp is perfect on the ring finger and I love the heart. I love the thumbnail. Can you see the magnetic effect on the screen? Nah, probably difficult. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!